inserting the fourth cam. Knowing that it doesn't really matter which cams you're inserting in the order that you're inserting them, you might decide that you want to have the different ones to do different things with yours. I'm doing one of each. You get to choose which ones you're putting into yours. I'm going to do the heart cam now. Let me set him down over here, green check mark. This time, because it's getting a little harder for me to see what's going on here, I'm going to change my direction so I can kind of see what I'm doing. If I need to arrow back, I can. You can use the arrows to bounce back and forth. Okay, so this time I want my heart cam facing up and down. I want this surface to be on the bottom here, and I want this surface to be on the side. And I can see my side right here. So I'm going to do that one first. Planar mate, I'm going to choose this surface and come back over here and choose that surface. Now it's put it in there. I'm going to zoom in and look on the top, make sure it's lined up correctly, see if I don't need to flip it around. And I think I'm happy with where it is, so I'm going to say green check mark. So as I come here, when I grab this part, it moves away. And if I go ahead and go to the side view, you can see that I can move it up and down, but I can't, and it stays with that axle. So I'm going to move it out here so I can kind of see what I'm doing. And this time I'm going to want to grab the top and put it to that surface, which is going to make it stand up the direction that I want. Okay, so again, I'm using my arrow keys to move around as I need to. Here we go. I'm going to choose zoom in, choose this surface, zoom out, use my arrow keys, and then I can zoom in, choose this surface, green check mark. That looks pretty good. If I back out and I grab this, everybody moves together. The only problem I've got is this guy is not locked into place. So I'm going to tip it just a little bit. I have one more planar mate with an offset. I'm going to choose this surface here and not my little people sticking out here. I want the big flat surface. So click, it bumps it up against the wall there. I'm going to have an offset, and my offset is going to be negative 3.625. Enter. Green check mark, it's locked into place. It's where I want it. It's facing the direction that I want it. And when I do my revolute, animate, play, everybody moves together, which is what I really want to happen. Everybody moving together. Okay, take a screenshot of that. So that I can see all four, that they're in the right place, so you might need to move it around. If you've got it to where I can't really see what's going on, that's not going to be a good screenshot. You want to make sure that I can see all of them, which means you might need to rotate it so that I can see it in your screenshot. So there we go. We have all four of them assembled.